Okay, guys, Isaac Cheekin here, and I just have to mention another one of the YouTubers I watch. If you go to Among Us and if you go to cartoons video and you start watching one of his group videos, more specifically Among Us, you will find a guy named Bryce Gaming. Check out his live videos and wait until he coughs. It's the funniest thing ever. That's really what he does. It sounds like he's laughing. It's like, okay, are you coughing or are you laughing at something someone said? Or do you just think we're all stupid and you're laughing at all of us? If you're gonna cough, freaking cough. Don't just like you're saw a funny video or you're so or like a 2-year-old trying not to laugh. Well, that's all. See you guys at the next video. Whether I'll be preaching, doing snack cake reviews, or roasting the pros. Always a joy to see you guys. Bye.